other top 3 boys. Okay? Buji na? Top 3 announce kalamgan. My top 3 to announce kalamkangani top 3 finalists dress change kalamgane last top 3 boys nansara walk kalamgan. After that you will have question answer round. Okay? Okay, give me some response. Okay. First finalist to go in top 3 is, any guess? Who wants to go to top 3? Resmi Brahma. Next contestant to go to top 3 is Tina Baro. Last contestant, but before that, to the other girls who don't go to top 3, please don't be disheartened because it is just a friendly competition. Okay? No one will cry. Anyone is going to cry? Okay. Last contestant. Last but not the least. Yes, right. Lisa. Thank you. Now we can see everyone's handsome face. No cheer for boys? This time boys contestants are more, so again once more. How many of you want to go to top 3? Raise your hand. First finalist to go to top 3, contestant number 1, Niletpur. Yes, very good. Second finalist, contestant number 3, Karamsa. Last but not the least, Ranjit. Get ready for the couple round. So this is the question answer round where we get the beauty with the brain, which is very important. Is it what we did there is only beauty? If there is only brain, is it worth it? Both are requests, yes? Rasmi. According to you, it's the biggest problem that women all over the world face. नोंनि बादिब्ला बे देरसिन प्रब्लेमा मा? जाय प्रब्लेम्सखौ बुहुमनि गासै आइजोआनो सहायनाङो बा सहायबोगासिनो?
According to me, the woman that is facing today that is believing in herself. You know that you are special. Stay confident. Generation today, when young men facing this, believing in themselves, thinking that you are too fat, too small, too short, or too ugly. This all doesn't matter at all. Just build your confidence and have the courage to live your dreams. If it is overcoming of yourself, your body, your limitation and fears, and if it comes to win your dream, then you can start turning your dream into reality. There's something I want to say today to the human being. Believe in yourself. Have the courage to live your dreams. Thank you very much and keep shining.
Thank you. I sound okay. Are you feeling nervous?
Yes.
Don't get nervous, okay? My question to you is, it's perceived by some that marriage is the end of women's ambitions. Do you agree with that? And why? हिन्जावफोरनि career-आ हाबाया reason नामा हिन्जावफोरनि career-आ end जानायनि थाखाय? If yes or if no, why? हाबा जानाया हिन्जावफोरनि career-आव जोबथाला नामा? And why? Thank you. Tina Boro, right? My question to you is, what do you believe, karma or destiny, and why? Do you believe in karma or in destiny? नोंनि बायदिब्ला कर्म आरो भाग्यआ मा?
Thank you, ma'am, for a wonderful question. आंनि बायदिबा भाग्यआ जाहैबाय मोनसे ओरैबायदि जिराद रावबो मानसिया भाग्यजों सोमोन्दो लानानै मालाबाबो खामानिखौ लाखियो। बेयो जाबाय भाग्यआ गावबा गावजों खालामना लानायसो। जोंनि सानफ्रोमबोनि केरियाराव जों गोबां लामा आगान सुरबोनो गोनां जायो। जाय लामानि गेजेरजों सुबुङा गावनि मोजां हाबिलासखौ मावफुंना दिन्थिनो हायो। आरो बेजों लोगोसेनो जाय सुबुङा एबा थांखिखौ होसोनानै गावनि मेन थांखिखौ होसोयो आरो सिमांखौ जाफुंहोयो बेफोरबायदिखौसो आं सानो। गोजोन्थों।